I work for a reason.
The party starts now.
You better look over here. I'm so scared. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Yeah, that's it. Don't mess with me. I left your body parts all over the place.
While you're trying to feed her, while you're trying to feed her all that negative bullshit.
Is banging, is banging. Time to get low. Do the tootsie roll. That's how we do.
I know you did. Stop! Oh, are you recording?
Yes.
Hello. Say. What does it say?
I was like,
Call me when they feel freaky hot. I run the show, you got too slow. Pick up the pace with your cracked out face. Uffy's banging, feet is banging. The tootsie roll, that's how we do. Do it hot, and if you understood.
panic attack.
If you can, yeah, you talk shit. Think I care? My style.
Hi guys. I just, you know, dropped by because, you know, I'm so offended. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's staring at me. He's staring at me. For the love of Pete.
Keep it, boy. Don't let anyone know. Gonna
What you looking at? What you looking at? Keep walking. Keep walking. What you looking at? What you looking at? Hey boy, what you looking at? You wanna get your beat? Let's turn. Oh my god, I don't know where to walk. Oh my god. Just gonna like sniff this stuff and like, you know, turn over my head. Like sniff this other stuff and like go by the tree. Oh my god, it probably has pee on it. Ew. But I still have to mark my territory. I hear some barking. Oh my god, no we don't. Okay, let's look over there. Oh my gosh. Garbage where
These are good plates, you don't throw them away.
everybody else did.
I know.
Oh.
You're idiots.
pull the Glock and pop. Uffy's gonna make the shit rock like do I like. Boys call me when they feel freaky hot. I run the show, you got too slow. Pick up the pace with your cracked out face. Pop the Glock.
I'm so scared.